Hi everyone, my name is Francisco E. Macarag Defort and I'm the programmer on our group and also the leader.
Hello everyone, my name is Mark Brian De La Cruz and I am the designer of our group.
Hi, I am Angel Princess Palitayan, the documenter in our group.
So what is RideEase? A mobile app that allows user to rent a car, rent a driver, or both with ease and flexibility. RideEase is a smart and user-friendly mobile application that helps people rent a car, hire a driver, or even do both at the same time. Whether someone needs a vehicle for a trip, a family event, or daily, but doesn't own a car, or just prefers not to drive, RideEase make that possible. With just few taps, users can book a car and a professional driver, making transportation easier, faster, and more convenient. RideEase provides easy car rental options, professional drivers on demand, a user-friendly platform to book what you need quickly. So here's how to use our app. So this is the demo on how we use our app. First, we open the RideEase app. Proceed, proceed, and sign in. On the home screen, we tap the rent a car icon. Next, we choose a car from the list. We can see the car model, seating capacity, and price. Example this one, Nissan GTR. We can see the information of the car we want to rent and the reviews. Now we click the rent now button. Next, we fill up the rental details. Then continue. Now, the payment process. Your card info is must type. That's it. Then pay now. Once confirmed, the app shows a booking success message. Now, we're ready to use the car. Next, the rent a driver. So this is how to use or how to rent a driver. First, we go in rent driver icon. Then this is the drivers. Then we have the rates. Then the details if you click the rent now button. That's the details. The reviews, rating, your experience, customer, and driver's bio. Then click the rent now. Boom. Then fill up that again. Continue. Then again your card information. That's it. Then pay now. Success. That's how we use our app. The most challenging part of the project was making sure everything in the app worked smoothly. We had to allow users to choose if they want to rent just a car, just a driver, or both. And each option needed to work without problems. We also had to think about the user experience. It was a bit hard to make the design simple and clean so that users won't confuse when using the app. We had to test the app many times to make sure that it's working correctly with no bugs or error. Another challenge was time management. Since we were working on different parts like design, programming, and testing, we need to cooperate as a team and manage our time well. In the end, we focus on the making the app easy and reliable for everyone, especially first-time users. Android development is about creating apps for Android phones using tools like Android Studio. In this project, I used Android Studio to build and design the app. I created the layout of the screens, programmed the buttons, and made sure that the features like booking, user login, and viewing car or driver info were working properly. At first, it was a bit hard because Android Studio have many parts that must work together. I had to learn about activities, intents, layouts, and how to pass data from one screen to another. By step, I started to understand how it works. I also learned how to test app using emulator and on real device to make sure the design looks good and the future works. Overall, it was a great experience. I enjoyed the process of solving problems, writing codes, and seeing the app come to life. It helped me improve my programming skills and teamwork too. And that's it.
What makes your app unique compared to other similar applications? Our car rental app stands out from the other application due to its user-friendly interface, seamless booking process, and extensive vehicle selection. Our application are ensuring customers to find the perfectly fit for their needs and budget. Advanced features like real-time availability, GPS tracking, and flexible rental provide unparalleled convenience. Our app also prioritizes customer support with 24/7 assistance and a dedicated team to handle the issue. Additionally, our competitive pricing and good program make us an attractive choice. Our app delivers a hassle-free car rentals experience that sets us apart from the rest. With our app, customers are easily booked, manage, and track their rentals, and making it the go-to platform for car rental needs. Our goal is to make car rental easy, efficient, and enjoyable.
Does your app design meets user needs? If yes, please explain how it addresses those needs. RideEasy addresses user needs by simplifying the car rental process. Its intuitive design makes searching and booking easy, while real-time updates and clear confirmation keeps user informed and in control. This reduces stress and provides a more enjoyable experience. We will specifically address common pain points like confusing interfaces and lack of communication, resulting in a far more user-friendly experience.
This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.